Are you trying to break into tech but overwhelmed by how much SQL, Python, Excel, or Tableau you need to learn? Today, I'll break it all down for you and set some realistic expectations so you can focus on what really matters. Let's get started. Let's start with SQL. How much do you really need to know? For most roles, you'll need to master the basics. Select, where, join, group by, and basic aggregate functions. Advanced topics like window functions or stored procedures. Nice to have, but only critical for specialized roles. Focus on being able to write queries to analyze and manipulate data. That'll get you far. Now, Python. The good news? You don't need to be a software engineer to leverage Python. Focus on data-related libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Learn how to clean and manipulate data, create basic visualizations, and automate repetitive tasks. Advanced machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Only if you're going into AI or data science. Keep it simple and practical. Next up, Excel. Yes, Excel is still incredibly important in the workplace. You should be comfortable with formulas like VLOOKUP, index match, and SUMIF, as well as creating pivot tables and charts. For most roles, you don't need to master VBA macros, but understanding them can be a bonus. Excel is often your first tool for quick data analysis. Finally, let's talk about Tableau. You don't need to be a design expert, but you should know how to create clear and insightful dashboards. Focus on learning how to connect data sources, build basic visualizations, and add interactivity to your dashboards. Storytelling with data is key here. So how much is enough? Here's a realistic approach. Learn enough to solve common problems in each tool. For example, write SQL queries to fetch and analyze data, use Python to automate repetitive tasks, analyze datasets with Excel, and present your findings in Tableau. Don't aim for perfection, aim for proficiency. You can always go deeper once you're in the job. And that's it. By setting realistic expectations, you'll save yourself time and frustration while still standing out to employers. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more realistic tech advice, and let me know in the comments. Which tool do you want to master first? Until next time, keep it simple.